Today we're showing you a 2016 John Deere 6145M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Has a John Deere 640R self-leveling quick attach front loader that goes with it. Global hookup on your bucket connection. Bucket's in real nice shape. Has the front grill guard and front weight carrier. A little bit of damage here in the front hood. A slight crack there, pretty minor. Tires are in pretty good shape. The tractor has approximately 2,300 hours on it. It does have the Green Star prep package on it. 18.4 R38 rear tires are in good shape. Has the PTO and 3-point buttons on each fender. 540N 1000 PTO, triple rear remotes. We specialize in selling late model low hour tractors. We have approximately 120 tractors on our yard. You can visit our website at masttractor.com. You can arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. You can also take trade-ins. We also offer financing for qualified customers. There's a left-hand powered reverser here on the column. 24-speed transmission. It's got the 6 ranges and the 4-speed power shift within each range gives you a total of 24 speeds. Motor control, which you can also use to shift your transmission. 3-point PTO and hydraulic remote outlets, levers all to the right there. Has the air ride seat for the operator, buddy seat here for the if you want to take a passenger. Foot throttle, individual brakes, and differential lock on the floor. We do take trades again. We do also offer shipping and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.